Alexa, set a 1 hour timer.
1 hour, starting now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a power hour or a speed clean. I did not come up with this idea. I'm not sure who to give credit to. Is it Love Meg? I'm not really sure. But anyway, today I didn't have a whole lot of time to clean, but I wanted to get some areas in my house picked up, so I decided to do a power hour. If you're new here, my name is Ashley. I am a mom of 3 boys. I have 1 son that is out of the house already and 2 teenage sons still living at home. If you're interested in cleaning or lifestyle videos, that's what I mainly put up. Sometimes I put a recipe or shorts up with recipes. If you're interested in that, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. I started in our lower level weight room and I put all the weights away, and then I just wiped everything down, the bars and the benches. And then I'm just vacuuming. There was a lot of debris and dog hair down here. Royal really likes to come watch people when they're working out and sit with them. So he had a lot of hair. I was just getting it all vacuumed up. Once I was done down there, I just came upstairs to the living room and I'm putting everything away, and then I'm going to vacuum the floor. Next, I headed into the entryway to just clean that up and vacuum. This rug really does show everything, but my husband has been taking off the cupboards. I think I said in a previous video that we were painting the lower cabinets. Our kitchen is all torn apart, but some of the dust is flying back into the house onto this rug or being tracked in with shoes. So I'm just gonna get that all cleaned up and vacuumed. Lastly, I just started a load of laundry. so that it can be switched tomorrow on my 9 o'clock break. I usually take a break around 9 and I have a 15-minute break, so I try to pick up the house or do something, switch a little laundry, make my bed, you know, all of that good stuff. So I will be switching it tomorrow on my 9 o'clock break, so I did not show that as part of this power hour. This hour went by so fast, but I was glad to get these areas clean for the week ahead. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next one.